7 potensyal na benepisyo sa kalusugan ng sikwate. 1. Rich in antioxidants.
Because of 1. High cacao content. Sikwati is made from minimally processed cacao beans. Unlike commercial chocolates with added sugars and extensive processing, Sikwati retains the natural antioxidant content through traditional preparation methods like roasting, grinding, and mixing with water. 2. Polyphenols. Cacao is rich in polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, improve cardiovascular health, and improve blood flow. 3. Vitamin and mineral content. Cacao beans are also a good source of magnesium, iron, and potassium, which play roles in overall health and can contribute to antioxidant defense mechanisms in the body. 4. Bioavailability. Sikwati are easily absorbed and utilized in the body. This makes the consumption of Sikwati an effective way to deliver these beneficial compounds to the body.
Salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, paki-heart and follow. Ibahagi ang iyong mga saloobin, magkomento lang.